Welcome to this episode where we're going to be installing 2-inch extended shackles, because who doesn't want to be a little bit higher on the road? I didn't do a whole lot of talking in this video because we did this at a friend's house at David's, so there's a few little bits and pieces I'll show you, but basically straight up story of lifting up the car, putting in the new rubbers as you can see there, and then putting the new shackles in, dropping it down, tightening it up. Pretty straightforward. Another thing that we did was delete the mechanical fuel pump from the side of the engine. This has been obsolete since the Holly Carby EFI went in, as I'm now running an inline pump. So we made a little cover plate for it, which with just a bit of gasket, put it on. And from here, the install was relatively straightforward. We put it all in. I'm sure you guys have seen 100 shackle install videos before, but it didn't all turn out rosy. So enjoy regular me. Alright, so we're back at home, got the shackles installed, and the car drives like absolute shit. So we need to put some caster wedges in it. I'm not going to waste time getting the wheel alignment done. What I'm going to do is I'm taking the risk on 3-inch caster correction wedges, and then I'll get it wheel alignment done. Today is Tuesday. I got till Friday, so we've got plenty of light in the garage now, so we're going to get stuck in and hopefully we can get these caster wedges installed. Okay, so now that I've done one, I'll quickly explain what my process is. So first up is to jack the car up and get the body or the chassis mounted safely. So we'll do that on this side. Second is to jack the spring up just a touch to loosen these bolts. And then from there, while holding the spring suspended, I'm jacking the diff up, which then creates a gap in there. Then I can slip it in, drop the diff back down, bolt the U-bolts in, and then let the spring out. And then, yeah. So I think it's a pretty good process. So we'll start on the other side now. That is the second one in. The second one was a whole lot quicker once you sort of know the process. Not a bad job to do on your own. These are the kind of setbacks I was talking about. I need a long... Hey! Dog licking my face. What are you doing? I need a long 19 mil. So, see you tomorrow. Alright, so the back one is done. Not as easy as the front. With the shock coming down at an angle, you will sort of have to try and align the bottom pin on the leaf spring, get that whole plate in, get the U-bolts roughly right, nip it all up, put it all together, level the U-bolts, and then properly tighten it. So it is a little bit of more fiddling, but it is still a one-man job. So one of the problems that you're going to encounter on the rears, that's where I am, is this little lip. They're too big to fit through the Roadrunner wedges. On the left side it was rubber, so I'm a bit confused, but...
You're confused, I'm fucking confused, bro.
Alright, as always, out with the grinder again. So I've just sort of very carefully just taken a little meat off the front and the back, and this one goes on. I don't know why I got the other one to work. This was rubber on the left side, passenger side. It's metal on the driver's side. So we'll slip this back in now and yeah, drop it back down. last one is finished. On and looking pretty good. All right, now we'll get some torque specs. 94 pounds is a lot, and I am caked. I am absolutely, I don't know, caked, I'm cooked, whatever. That is it. I got a few more things left to do before I get this car ready for the weekend, which will be the next big episode that we do. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And we'll see you guys out on the tracks, because next week's tracks. All right, bye.